Hi, this is Kevin Barrett with Safe Road Services. In this segment, we're going to talk about some of the things you should consider when you're deciding on what product to use. And also, we'll talk a little bit about Safe Road Services and some of the things that we offer in addition to the products. First of all, you have to decide on your goals. What are you trying to achieve? You have to look at the whole picture of your winter operations, your budget, the number of people you have. Know what you're buying. Take a look at that table that we talked about earlier that has all of the different products broken down. You want to be informed. You want to know exactly what it is that you're getting. And the biggest thing is you have to distinguish between the price per gallon of a product and what does the product actually cost. You can get a product that's 90 cents a gallon, say, and that's a great price if the other product that you're looking at is $1.15 or $1.20. But what you have to determine is how much of that 90-cent product is it going to take to get the results that you're looking for versus the product that's worth $1.15. And this is, again, ties into the whole issue of these high percentage blends. This high-tech report that I mentioned, that stands for Highway Innovative Technology Evaluation Center. It was an affiliate of the Civil Engineering Research Foundation. That was the first test, third-party test, nationwide on these high percentage blend products. And one of the things that came to the table as a result of this, one of the things that was revealed was that these blended products actually worked better. They were more efficient and you used less of them than the straight brines like calcium and magnesium chloride. Consider the size of your crew, the size of your operation. We have some towns that do stockpile treating, for example, that have a salt shed that you could put two Goodyear blimps in. They also have about an acre of blacktop around them. They have 2 front-end loaders with 4-yard buckets. When these guys decide they're going to get after stockpile treating, they can get after it. Not everybody has that capability. So when people ask me, well, what's the best way to use the product? There is no best way to use it. You have to look at your own operation. If for example, you already have onboard pre-wetting systems, then start there. Because this product can be used in those systems with little or no alterations. If you're not using any liquids at all, you may want to start with just buying a bulk liquid storage system and start the process by treating your own salt and then work up to maybe adding 1 or 2 of the other application methods. So that's basically what it is. When it comes to making a decision, there's no right way to use it. The people that have used a combined approach are the ones that we found over the years that have had the most success in reducing their overall cost of product acquisition and also in terms of the actual cost of the removal of the snow and ice. And they've also reduced their liability costs. The last thing I want to talk about is Safe Road Services and who we are, where we came from. And we're basically a local Massachusetts-based company. We have 2 terminals that service the New England market. We have one in Shirley. We have one in just outside of Albany. So it gives us a good a shot at taking care of this marketplace. All of our raw materials are U.S. sourced. We get them right here in the United States. We also offer a full line of bulk liquid storage systems, transfer pumps, gas and electric, onboard pre-wetting systems, as well as the skidded sprayers. So we can take care of all of that part of your business. We also have gotten involved in very recently a plumbing upgrade service. And this is something that we will go on site, we'll take a look at your current system. We are doing a lot of these installations of these mixed jet agitators, but in the process of installing those, we may come across some other areas in your system, your hose, your valve, your manifold system that could use some upgrades. So we're doing quite a bit of that right now, and it seems to be a service that people are really interested in. And lastly, we can come to your facility and we can treat the salt for you. Pull out a couple of 100 tons, we'll put the appropriate amount of liquid on it, and then we'll work with your operators, your personnel, and then you can at least get a feel for how the product's going to work. So that's a little bit about Safe Road Services, about our company, how we got started, what we're doing right now, where we're headed. And my name is Kevin Barrett. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me.